Hello, this is Cynthia in the TLC, and this is a quick tutorial about how to import course material into a new course. So at the beginning of the semester, you'll notice that your new courses, as you've been assigned to them, have unavailable next to the name of the course. And that means, of course, that it's unavailable to students. It will always be available to instructors. So I'm just going to go into the course. And then you'll notice the new set of navigational subheaders and links. And if you're interested in learning about why this came about, there's a video in the TLC video tutorials about the new course menu. Alright, so I'm just going to scroll down to Control Panel, and under Packages and Utilities, we're going to use the bottommost utility called Import Package / View Logs. Okay, be sure you use import package and not import course cartridge for our purposes of importing from a previously made export file. So I'm going to click import package, and I'm going to click the import package button. So now I have to browse my computer to find that export file that I created previously. So I click browse my computer, and if you'll notice that my export files are inside of a folder that I've titled Blackboard Export Files, just to make it easier to find for myself. And this is the file that I want to import. Okay, so click on the file, click open, and it will be listed here, the name of the file. By default, you want to click select all again, even if you know you don't have glossary or journals or some of these pieces. Always click select all because of the way things are connected behind the scenes in Blackboard. These few pieces that aren't automatically selected are fine not to have selected, so don't worry about that. But whatever is checked when you click select all, make sure that those stay checked. Right? And then we're going to click submit. Again, it may take a few moments, but once you get to this page that shows the action is in a queue, we're just going to wait for the email. And notice now you have this orange band saying that the import is running, and once it's finished it will tell you that as well. Alright, so I've received the email. Also notice that the orange band tells us that the import process is complete. Okay, so the email you would be looking for says that import for the ID of the course, the operation is completed. Okay, now it's saying warning, the user who submitted an announcement entitled welcome could not be located, and that's just because when we do an import, we do not import any user information. So you may get warnings saying something like this, but that's the reason, because we don't import any user information, which of course we don't want to. So don't worry about those kinds of warnings. Back in my course, I'm going to click the refresh button just above my navigation links. And now you can see that the look and feel of the course has changed because it assumes the look and feel of the course that had been exported. So one thing that's very important to notice and to adjust is the duplicate buttons that have come in with the export information. Notice I have course guide headings, content headings, and again we have duplicates at the bottom. For example, I can just delete this second course guide heading, and I'm just clicking the arrow on the right side of the heading or the link and just choosing the appropriate action. Under content, I have a second content down here, and I'm just going to drag the link that's related to content. It's called various topics. I'm just going to drag that up under the top content. Okay, and then I can just delete this second content. Again, clicking the right arrow, choosing delete. Under communication, I have communication subheader, announcements, and my grades. Same thing below, so I can just delete the 3 of these. So just make sure that you're reviewing all of the navigation buttons, subheaders, and links that come in with your export file, and make sure you don't have any duplicates and that they all make sense. So again, this is how we import course content from a previously made export file. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the Teaching Learning Center. Thank you.